Area 15 in Las Vegas is a new psychedelic playground. Its main feature is Omega Mart, which is a huge grocery store that turns into an inner dimension. Are you ready to feel like a kid again? Let's travel into this wondrous world by Meow Wolf. To hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. As soon as you arrive, there are huge art installations outside that only teases you of what's to come. The first thing you do is walk through a crystal fractal gate entryway, and you'll see huge towering sculptures like a dragon, robot, and an owl that are all lit up. Once walking into the building complex, you are greeted by the Area 15 skull that has changing moving patterns on it. Area 15 has a total of 21 different stores, bars, VR experiences, and interactive entertainment areas. Scattered throughout the area, you'll see art installations that keep to the theme of the unusual and astounding. You can even go ziplining through the entire complex and see the people having fun below. Omega Mart is the largest attraction there, which is a pseudo grocery store. Inside Omega Mart, you'll find familiar looking products that are reimagined in a whole new way. If one of the many phones rings, you're obligated to pick it up and talk to whoever's on the other line. Almost every product that's on the shelf that has a realistic price tag is available for purchase. The creators took a lot of time and effort to making this place look like a realistic grocery store. But nothing is what it seems. All the staff roaming around encourage you to touch and experiment with everything that you can see. What a way to feel like a kid again, seeing the world as your playground. You'll never know what's a button or a knob that you could twist. Periodically, the store runs ads on the television screens that become interrupted, and all the staff falls lifeless like little puppets. Explore everything, as you'll find doors that lead to passageways to exciting areas. Once you pull the curtain back behind the facade of the grocery store, you'll be whisked into a world unlike anything you'll ever seen. If you find yourself going up some stairs, you could go into the employee lounge where there is more to be discovered. The famous psychedelic artist Alex Grey created a room that resembles his artwork on some of the Tool albums. You can just sit back in this room and watch the faces change infinitely. There's a room with lasers that you can create music by touching the beams called the Luxophone Laser Harp. You can learn more about the backstory of the grocery store and why it has become so out of this world. Remember to play with everything. No matter how old you still are a kid here, so crawl around and slide down those slides. I'm fucking tripping out, man. If you're lucky enough to discover the hidden room, you can get your soul scanned with this machine to stare into the camera and watch the environment interact with you. Omega Mart is a huge maze of corridors, hidden rooms, and passageways that will unfold like your mama's dirty laundry. Before you realize it, you'll walk through a wall into the meat department of the grocery store. Here you can get your free-range tattooed chicken and a ground beef statue. Hidden away in the back room, there's a bar serving drinks as unique as the store itself. One of the drinks I had completely made my mouth numb and tingle with a thing they call the button. My friends and I spent a good 3 hours exploring the store, and we didn't even see everything or even scratch the surface on discovering the entire backstory. Before we left, we decided to grab a cart and start shopping. As I was doing so, a lady was talking to her husband saying, "Look, honey, they even have fake shoppers." I included myself into their conversation, explaining that they could purchase everything that is on the shelves. Her eyes widened, and the look on her face was of pure joy and excitement. In summary, this is one of the coolest places that I ever have been, created by a collective of artists. It completely gives off a Burning Man-esque vibe and will make you feel like a kid again. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content.